Ever wondered how long it takes to build a spaceship? From the first blueprint to the final liftoff, it's a journey that spans years of meticulous planning, engineering, and testing. Now, you might think, why does it even matter? Well, understanding the timeline behind such a massive undertaking gives us a glimpse into the sheer complexity and dedication required to explore the cosmos. Let's break down the process into key stages. Conceptualization and design. This is where it all begins. Engineers and scientists brainstorm ideas, sketch designs, and conduct feasibility studies. It can take anywhere from a few months to several years to finalize a concept that's both innovative and practical. Component manufacturing. Once the design is locked, the manufacturing phase kicks in. This involves building individual components like engines, fuel tanks, and the spacecraft's hull. Given the complexity and precision required, manufacturing can take years. For instance, crafting a powerful rocket engine is a painstaking process that involves numerous tests and iterations. Assembly and integration. This is where all the individual components come together. It's like assembling a giant puzzle. The process involves connecting various systems, testing their compatibility, and ensuring seamless operation. This stage can take several months, depending on the size and complexity of the spacecraft. Testing and validation. Before a spaceship can be launched, it undergoes rigorous testing to ensure its safety and reliability. This includes static fire tests, testing the engines on the ground. Vibration tests, simulating the intense vibrations during launch. Thermal vacuum tests, testing the spacecraft's ability to withstand extreme temperatures and vacuum conditions of space. These tests can take months or even years, depending on the specific requirements. Launch preparation. Once the spacecraft passes all tests, it's time to prepare for launch. This involves fueling the spacecraft, finalizing the launch sequence, and coordinating with the launch team. While this stage might seem relatively quick, it's crucial to ensure everything is perfect before liftoff. So, how long does it really take? The total time to build a spaceship can vary widely, depending on factors like the spacecraft's size, mission complexity, and available resources. However, it's safe to say that it can take anywhere from 5 to 10 years to build a spacecraft and prepare it for launch. Why so long? The sheer scale and complexity of space exploration demand meticulous planning and execution. Every component, every system, and every procedure must be carefully designed, tested, and refined to ensure mission success. Building a spaceship is a monumental task that requires years of hard work, innovation, and dedication. By understanding the timeline involved, we can appreciate the incredible effort that goes into exploring the cosmos. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.